Hi, my name is Alvaro. Welcome to ABC Guitar Workshop and welcome to part 5 and the final video of my project for the Great Guitar Build-Off 2021. This video is basically going to be divided in 3. First, we are going to take a closer look at my guitar and its unique features. Then I am going to play a little bit for you using 2 amplifiers to show you how the pickups work and how the stereo system works. And then I am going to show you a compilation of the building process. Now, some recommendations. This compilation is obviously just a summary of the work that I did in the past 2 months, but there is a playlist in the description below where you can watch the full process from start to finish. It's only like an hour long, so you can watch it whenever you have time. Next, if you like this guitar, please go to the website of the Great Guitar Build-Off and vote. There you can find all of the entries for this year and you can choose the one that you like the most and vote. I wouldn't be upset if you don't vote for mine because there's a lot of cool guitars, but I would highly appreciate it, obviously. Voting starts the 1st of July and I think it's only for a week long or a little bit more, I'm not sure, but just go there as soon as you can and vote for your favorite guitar. Then I would suggest that you watch this video using speakers that work on stereo or with headphones so you can appreciate the stereo feature better. But otherwise, don't worry, you can just watch it however you like and you will just have to believe me when I say that the sound comes from the left or the right. Finally, before we begin, please consider subscribing to my channel. Leave a comment with your thoughts. I would like to know what you think of my guitar and I would like to know if you have seen other stereo guitars like this before. Please click the like button to support the channel, and with all of that being said, let's begin with the demo. Alright, this is my entry for the Great Guitar Build-Off 2021. The guitar is named the Dead Molder 2. It has a reversed headstock with a fabric top. The fabric matches the body and I put a plaque with my signature, my name, the words Dead Molder Series and the serial number. The fretboard is made with an exotic wood called Tajibo and I 3D printed a custom inlay that I filled with a glow-in-the-dark epoxy. The design of the inlay is inspired by my Monstera and the unique shape of its leaves. In the 12th fret, I inlaid 2 red roses because the number 2 is very important for this project. It's built for the second Great Guitar Build-Off, it's also the second guitar of the Dead Molder series, and it's a stereo guitar. The solid body has an offset shape, and I chose a fabric with a floral pattern to go along with the inlay. The body and the neck are made out of walnut and I used maple binding on the body, fretboard and headstock. To contrast the front of the body, I made the back really simple. You can find 2 output jacks of the stereo system and 4 screws fixing the neck. Then it's all just wood. The neck was made with a scarf joint and the back of the headstock has the 6 inline tuners. Now let's look at the pickups. It has a very unique setup distributed in 2 circuits. The upper circuit has a P90 and a single coil that only catches 3 strings, and these have a master volume and master tone. The lower circuit at the side of the bridge has a humbucker and another small single coil that only catches 3 strings. They also have a master volume, a master tone, and this one has a kill switch. Then I laid a 3-way selector switch for each circuit and I put them side by side so you can choose your output very easily. To explain the stereo system better, let's go inside and play a little bit.
This is the moment where I recommend headphones or stereo speakers. Now I am going to play the same thing 4 times using each pickup. First, the humbucker will sound on the right side, then the P90 will sound on the left side. Next, the small single coil is gonna catch the higher strings on the right side, and finally the other small single coil will catch the lower strings on the left side. Alright, let's try something else. Let's try one more. We're almost at the end of the video, but before showing you the compilation, I would like to give you good news. When this project started, I tried to propagate my monstera. I cut some leaves and put them in water. Honestly, I didn't know if it was a good idea because I never tried it before. But 2 months later, I can clearly see that there are roots growing and the leaves are looking fine. So I am ending this competition with a new guitar and a couple of Monstera clones. Pretty cool, right? Now let's move on to the last part of the video. But once again, if you like this guitar, please subscribe to my channel and please go to the website of the Great Guitar Build-Off, check the scratch build competition and vote for your favorite guitar.